Hi folks, it is time for science and this is your agenda for Wednesday, April 15th. So today you're going to assess your knowledge of the digestive system. This means that you will finish and submit your Big Mac attack assignment. You will complete the optional review if you decide, and then you will have the open note digestive quiz to take. So all in all, you'll take the attendance quiz, do the extension questions, and submit the Big Mac attack assignment, complete that review, and take the digestive quiz. Let's go ahead and hop into Schoology to see what that looks like and how it's organized on the online classroom. So, first up for the 15th, you're going to see both the attendance question, and then right underneath it is the assignment submission for the Big Mac attack. You're going to simply upload your version of it. I don't care if you've been doing it on a separate sheet of paper or editing the document itself, copy pasted, whatever you have, submit that here. Please do submit it into here. Y'all have been great about that. Some of my other classes have not, but I do want to say I so appreciate you all submitting it into Schoology. Something that you'll notice on this assignment is that there is a PDF of the assignment, but this is not only the blank version, but it also has a key. And this is included for you to go through and make sure that you are understanding how well you did on this assignment. In addition, I'm available during class time to help answer questions or concerns that you have about the assignments and really make sure that you understand it. This is an assignment that is fair game on your open note quiz, and we'll go ahead and jump into that. We'll go back into this folder for this week, and we'll click this digestive system quiz. Now, in the settings, or the thing that you should have when you first open it, and this should be available for you first thing on Thursday, but if you want to get a head start, it should also be this sort of instruction screen should be available for you before that. So this quiz is open note, so any self-generated resources you have completed, that includes the notes, the crash course video question answers that you completed, the Big Mac attack worksheet, and the review guide are all fair game. Things that are not self-generated, so the PowerPoint, for example, or the crash course videos themselves would not be self-generated and not be fair game. I am not accepting the review for extra credit, but you may find that doing the review before taking the quiz may help you get the best grade. Hint, hint, wink, wink, nudge, nudge. So, this is just the same as we did with our last quiz. It's open note, but it's not open Google. So just submit your honest attempt. I want to see your knowledge and understanding of the unit. Last thing that you'll notice, in addition to this review that's been linked, is that this is enabled from Thursday morning all the way until Friday. So if you want to really kind of prepare and take some time and do that review, you can submit it on Friday. We do not officially have class on Friday, but if you want to take a little bit of extra time and really make sure you're studied up, you get those questions answered, maybe you want to come in during class time or office hours to get some help, it's going to be open until midnight on Friday, so it gives you a little bit of extra time. I hope that helps, and I hope that you are well and that this is clear. Again, as always, I'm available during class time and office hours to help answer any questions. The Hangout Meet code are posted as links to the website. I wish you the best of luck, and I hope you are well. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye!